Hello, today we will be discussing our pitch to the marketing department at St. Francis University. Our goals are to inform and help promote this school the best we can in order to boost enrollment in social activities at this university. The parents of Gen Z are concerned about their children's safety and well-being, and so the safety and amenities of the campus are very important. Gen Z is very close with their parents and will be happy with whatever decision that their parents make. Gen X was directly affected by the Great Recession, and they are not financially ready for their children's college. But if you prove outcomes to them, then they will pay. In addition to the parents not being financially prepared, they are afraid of leaving their children at school, as the divorce rates in that generation are among the highest of all generations. Therefore, these parents should be shown the safety of the campus and the type of students who attend. Gen Z looks at whether a university can prove outcomes to them. Like their parents, Gen Z is careful about where they spend their money, but if you can prove outcomes, then they will come. Gen Z highly respects upperclassmen, and this can help the prospective student make their decision. Our decision-making criteria was based on showing prospective students the safety and environment of the campus, in areas where St. Francis can give students a good college experience.
In order to effectively get this persuasive message across to Gen X and also Gen Z, the messages to each age group must be differentiated to fit the generation. When marketing to Gen X, ensuring the safety of their children is a top priority. They want to know that there is safety protocols and options in case their child may ever need care. Because of the location of SFU, there is not many close options if issues were to arise. Clearly stating that safety is a priority and that there are action plans in place is important to express to Gen X parents. In particular, from the Papano reading, school shootings and domestic terrorism are major concerns of parents, so these issues need to be addressed and clearly stated so parents understand this is not something they need to or should worry about. As for persuading Gen X, the social aspect is more of a priority to them. Yes, education is important, but in order to attract this particular generation, offering and showing the social aspects and opportunity this university has to offer is a crucial aspect to getting them on board. As for the mediums for each demographic, when it comes to Gen X, it is becoming much harder now to persuade and convince them to be willing to help pay and want to send their kids to an expensive institution like St. Francis. They have to believe in what they are supporting and potentially helping pay for. Clearing up any questions or concerns and leaving Gen X comfortable and secure in supporting their kids' decision is crucial. As for Gen Z, the potential students, connecting with them on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram is huge. Social media is a strong platform for this generation, and it is used for hours daily. Also, being more technologically advanced is an attractive quality for this generation. For example, Ohio State has begun to implement iPads as a requirement in a majority of their classes. This is an appealing aspect to many students, and they have begun to add more and more classes that require iPads each year.
As for the source of this campaign, we are the source. Our campaigns will not only appeal to Gen X, but Gen Z, and it will ensure safety, social life, and safe ways to enjoy social activities in a very safe environment. This pitch is very credible because we as SFU students have been on this campus and know what the students want and need. We know what this campus has to offer, and we want to help broaden these options and increase interest in potential students. From the Render Experiences reading, it clearly states how important the social aspect of colleges, universities is. This campaign will help add these opportunities and broaden students' horizons on campus. For our first campaign, we would like to purchase the old MVP building and turn it into a safe off-campus study lounge for 21-year-olds. This would allow for a 21-year-old environment that would be safer than a bar, and the university would be able to control the environment. This would show students that the school not only cares about their safety, but also gives students the opportunity to drink responsibly in a studious environment. The second campaign is purchasing the old MVP Pizza building and turning it into a safe off-campus study spot for those who live in the HAPT housing. This would allow students who live in Loretto a study spot that is a bit closer to their living corridors. Furthermore, this would make those who live in Loretto feel a little bit closer to their campus.
And then this is our works cited page.